So here the linear function we have is the relationship between publishing a yearbook, the cost to publish it, and how many copies get published. Now, this is a collection of points, the way it's been presented, but we need to look at it and see, well, could we actually have gotten 32 yearbooks published? Why 32? Just a number I picked. In fact, when you're publishing books, there is no actual limit to how many you can get produced. In fact, most publishers will accommodate any amount. So, in reality, this graph should have been connected with a line. Now, the second thing here, I'm only putting an arrowhead at one side, because to put it on the left side would mean we could publish a negative number of books, and also have a negative cost to publish them. That just doesn't make sense. The fewest number of books possible would be 0. And this publishing company likely charges some kind of flat fee just to get the printing press rolling. So what we know is that the budget that this school has is $4,200. And we want to know what is the maximum number of books that can be printed. So we know $4,200, which is on the y-axis. We'll have to guesstimate where that is, because every tick here is worth 500. So 4,200 would be roughly about here. And from there we trace across, and we find where the graph is at a height of 4,200. And to determine how many books can be published, we trace that down as best as possible. I'm obviously not drawing very straight. I'll try that again. And that is how many books we can publish. We'll have to estimate. Each tick on the x-axis is worth 25. So we're somewhere between 175 and 200. My guess would be in the neighborhood of 180, possibly 185 books. Anything within that range would be acceptable. This is not an exact measurement. This is an estimate. As long as your estimate is reasonable. Saying it's 176 books would be unreasonable because it's clearly not just up against that 175 line. Likewise, saying 195 books would be clearly too many. As long as your answer is within reason, that's what we're looking for.